Hello everyone. Today is a Easter Sunday and it's a beautiful day. And I'm going to bring you guys to Rosarito of Mexico. If you come from the border from San Diego, you are likely to pass through this 1D highway. Look at this highway. You will see a beautiful blue skies and deep blue ocean. When you drive by this highway, I guarantee you'll like it. And this toll road will only cost you about 40 pesos. It's about $2. It's very affordable. First, I want to bring you to this farmlands, and you have horses and camels. If you like it, you can pay them few bucks here and there, and you can ride on the horses or have some experience riding on the camels. It must be fun. After that, let's go to the main street of Rosarito. And I really like this piñata store, and they show really interesting piñatas, like those for the kids to beat up, and it's very Mexican.
Amigo.
Hi.
¡Hey! Hola, Taco Loco en Rosarito. Aquí estamos con amigo Guachu Willy Willy.
Okay, that's very nice. Thank you so much.
Hey, thank you.
Hey, let's keep walking.
Costi 18.
Hey, come some hot chicks. Hey, baby. She didn't hear it. Let's keep walking.
Son las 3.
carro la usa. La Tano le pagó, pero que no se compró la leche.
I was getting a little hungry after walking a little bit, and I started looking for a restaurant. And I came across with this really nice seafood restaurant. Then I just stopped by to this restaurant. When I'm filming, they come across with this really hot dishes. I don't know what that is, but it definitely looks great. I find out the name for you guys next time.
Ok, déjale traer sus
You got to try their chips and salsa. The salsa is little spicy, little watery, but it's very strong taste of tomato. It's just great. But for me, I love their seafood tacos. They make it so nice. Let me do this standard pose. This is fish taco. And this one is their Marlin. You can taste the chunky meats of this Marlin. You're going to love it. And this one is their Octopus taco. It's also very good. And this one is their shrimp taco or camarón taco. So after the lunch, let's head to the beach. Let's go. I would like to thank you for you guys to watch my videos. If you like my videos, please CLS. Comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you very much. See you guys next time. Hey.
Hello,